So, welcome back and warm welcome to the CG for All Java as a program sections. And today we are going to discuss one Java program. Before going to start the Java program, let us understand what is the prerequisite to understand this program. So, it's the same what we have discussed in the last video. Basically, we have to understand the basic of the Java and already mentioned the link what you have to understand and basic of the control statement. So go to the our CG for all websites and you can understand what I am going to talk about. Last video already mentioned that. So before going to that, let's start the today program. So what is the today program is how to find the factorial of a given number. So what is the factorial of a given number in mathematics? Factorial of a non-negative number denoted by this symbol. And basically what is that is a product of the all the integer equal to n. So suppose we have to find that factorial of n, then either we have to from 1 multiply till n or n minus 1 n minus 2 and downside till 1. So let us understand with an example. Let us consider we have to find the factorial of a 5. Okay, factorial of a 5. Factorial of a 5. So how can we understand this factorial of a 5? So 5 multiply 4 multiply 3, 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 multiply 1. So this is the basically factorial of a number. Okay, now let's start how can we write the logic for this. So basically it's a one dimensional, so we have to transverse from 1 to till number and multiply to a same number, and that should be the output, right? So how can we transpose? We have the two options. Either we have to use the for loop or we have to use with the while loop. Let's we have to see for loop and while loop both. Let's understand the program. So this is that I have take first. If we're writing any Java program, first we have to define our package. The first and foremost line is the pre what the package, which package we are programming written. After that predefined package, why I'm taking the scanner? Because I have taken the input from the console. Clear? Now first point, we have to create the scanner object. Then we have to, I am giving the enter the number to find the factorial. Clear? So after that a scanner object creating in this, after this a scanner object, let us what the value I am getting, we have to passing and converting into integer. Okay, now I am already predicting that what the value we are usually input, that should be only the number. Okay, it should not be any other than number. Okay, now clear. Now this input we have to transverse and understand. First let's understand with the for loop. I am commenting the while loop logic. Now so what I am doing, so from 2 till this number, what the number, suppose let us consider I am taking the 5. So what I am doing here, so 2 means starting with the 2 and equal to 5. So first 2, then next time 3, then 4, then 5. So what I'm doing, output I am considering a number as 1, right? So 1 is a number. If we multiply any number with 1, it should be the same number. So output first time it should become as a 2, right? Let us understand with so now first time output should be, what the output, it should be 2. Then second time output is 2, second time, then multiply by 3, because then output is 2 and multiply 3, then second third time, so it should be value I is increasing, output should be same. So then next time 4, right? Then the next time 5. Okay, and that what I am printing, and after that printing the value. Okay, right click, run as Java program, enter the number 5, so 120, right? Now let us print 6, then 720. What the value it will come, it will come. So here only thing, so if we take the logic what we understand, so how to transverse from the first to last or last to first, last to first also, then I minus minus we have to do, you can try with that. Now let us, I am write the same logic with while loop. because every logic we can write with the for loop, same we can write with the while loop also. For the more understanding purpose, we are practicing with the do and while both. So now what the number I am getting from the console. So suppose the number is greater than 1, till then we have to iterate the loop. Then after that output is 1, already we discussed. So output multiply by user input, and user input I'm doing minus minus. Okay, so automatically this number we are getting the value. Okay, let's run the program. 5, put the 5, 120. First is 5, then 4, then 3, then 2. Factorial of a number is factor. This is the value what I am printing, factor 120, and that exactly what I needed. So let's understand. I think it's a very clear. So we have to how we can write the factorial program with the for loop as well as while loop. You can try it, practice it, and thanks for the day. Thank you. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, and you have any doubt, please drop a mail to the provided help.cg for all other gmail.com, or call me on the number provided. And if you have more want to more go through the our about us, please go through the website mentioning in that link. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, thank you so much.